Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. And today we're checking out this pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Sport, Outer Banks. The exterior color is dark brown. Under the hood we have a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our headlamps and fog lamps, and over at the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass and a backup camera. The interior we have power locks, mirrors and windows, and as we move closer into the cabin you will see our black leather seating with brown trim. Above we have a sunroof. Over at our steering column, our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right our media and hands-free options. Looking ahead you can see we have B&O audio. In our settings, we have Bluetooth connection, driver assistance, Ford Pass Connect, Wi-Fi, 911 Assist, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, voice control, play mode, and navigation, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, and below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy, as well as a heated steering wheel. We have dual cup holders, gear shift, storage. There's also a wireless charging pad, USB connections. At the rear we have door storage cup holder and power windows. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.